Those who prefer to be alone have these 8 unique personality traits. Not everyone can be outgoing. Some of us prefer to be alone, and that's okay too. Research shows that there are so many reasons why being alone and liking it isn't such a bad thing. In this video, we will show you why. Number 1. Value time. If there is extremely important to a loner, it is time. You respect and value time more than anything else. You are well aware that time is the most valuable asset to a successful life. They are never late, they never waste anyone's time, and never let anyone waste theirs. People who respect your time the way you respect theirs can expect one of the most incredible friendships imaginable. Number 2. Very empathetic. Loners are able to feel and sympathize with others on same level that they are. Being able to feel everyone's sorrow can be a curse to have. But loners know how to handle it because they are so empathetic. It's easy for them to find the bright side out of any negative situation. You would rather find a solution to whatever conflict is making someone upset. Number 3. Self-aware. Many people choose to ignore the thoughts and emotions. People who like to be alone choose to embrace these feelings and become fully aware of them. Self-awareness is very important and difficult to achieve. As a loner, you know yourself better than anyone else, and this allows you to better understand those around you. Everyone has a period of depressive and discouraging thoughts, but you are able to navigate through them much more easily. Number 4. Firm boundaries. People who like to be alone always have healthy boundaries, and even though you look like to be alone, you are open-minded. At the same time, you are more than aware of what your strengths and weaknesses are, and you tend to look at the bright side, no matter what life throws in your way. Number 5. Increased emotional strength. According to Healthline, people who like to be alone are able to better accept, understand, and identify their emotions because they spend more time observing and evaluating their own thoughts and feelings. Because they have taken this extra time to understand their emotions, they have a better sense of how to deal with and manage them. Number 6. Company of intellectual people. Being comfortable with being alone allows many introverts to be more selective about who they choose to spend their time with. Because they don't feel a constant need to be around many people, they value their time and can be more selective of how they choose to spend it. This is because they know that with or without the company of others, they would be fine either way. Number 7. Highly loyal. Unlike those who need to be in the spotlight, a loner does not crave for attention. But once they find someone they want to become close friends with, they become the most loyal friend you'll ever have. Number 8. Independent. Some loners studied out as independent, always being able to solve problems without the help of others and surviving on their own abilities. These types of loners are often go-getters, to know what they want and walk with anything stand in their way, learning to face the world on their own. People who enjoy their own company don't need people as much, they choose to have them around. Do you prefer to be alone? What personality traits do you have that you think belong on this list? Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.